Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Facebook leads to Constant Contact. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your Constant Contact account. Now, once you're in here, go to the left panel and then click on Audience Growth. Okay. And here, just click on Ads. Click on Ads and wait for it to load. And here at the top, just go ahead and click on Create an Ad. And here we're going to be using Facebook Leads Ad or Facebook Lead Ads. Okay. Just click on it. Now, to be able to successfully connect both, all you have to do is just connect your Facebook account. With that Facebook account, you'll be able to select your specific ad account. All right. For example, I'm going to log in with my Facebook, scroll down and find Continue, and then go ahead and select your pages. Okay. For example, this one, I'm just going to click on Continue. If you want to select all, you can go ahead and do so, as there'll be a drop down right here. Okay. So I'm just going to select all maybe. Now I'm going to scroll up and opt in to all current and future businesses. Continue. Save. Got it. Just wait for it as it loads. It's all done. As you can see here, it says Facebook account has been connected, as well as your ad account. Okay. After that, just go ahead and add in your payment method if you haven't done so. Okay. That is how you add or connect Facebook leads to Constant Contact. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.